Welcome to Ruger Tech Tips. Today I'm going to take you through the assembly and the disassembly of the Ruger Red Label 3. This is our newest shotgun, and it is a classic high-end gun. So when you receive the firearm, you're going to receive it in two sub-assemblies. This is the receiver and stock assembly, and this is the barrel and fore-end assembly. To fully disassemble it, you will take the fore-end off by pressing this button at the very top, pulling it out slightly, and then pulling it up and off, right? Now this is as far as you need to disassemble the gun to clean it and to store it. But to put it back together, hold the barrel assembly with your dominant hand, and there are two trunnions on the inside of this receiver and two half moon-shaped notches on the barrel assembly. You'll bring it into the receiver and you'll click it down just like that. And then the final step is to return the fore end to the firearm by just sticking it in place and clicking it closed. Now, what I normally do at this point is to break it open, close it back up, make sure the safety's working and the barrel selector is working as well. But that's the complete assembly. Well, thank you for watching today's Tech Tips. For more information, go to Ruger.com.